Do you know about volcano? I'm pretty sure you have seen them and heard about them, right? Today's topic is about volcano, so let's get going. A volcano is a vent opening in the earth crust through which molten materials erupt suddenly. This hot material that volcanoes blow out are mostly molten rocks and minerals. The liquid rocks is called magma when it is under the earth's surface, and lava after it comes out. Let's see how do volcanoes erupt. Volcanoes are generally created when two lithospheric plates come together. Sometimes if one plate heavier than the other one, it goes under the other one. When plate 1 starts moving below plate 2, it moves slowly and eventually reaches the mantle of the earth. So as you know, mantle is extremely hot. So when plate 1 comes in contact with the heat of the mantle and it started melting and become molten magma. This creates pressure inside the earth. This melting material or magma rises up through the cracks in the earth. As it travels up the main vent, gases expand and water becomes steam, creating pressure. When the pressure can no longer be contained, the volcano erupts through the crater and secondary side vents. Common volcanic gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen fluoride, and hydrogen sulfide. The tallest volcano in the solar system isn't on Earth at all, but on Mars. Did you know 75% of the volcanoes on Earth are found in an area in the Pacific Ocean known as the Ring of Fire? The biggest known volcano in our solar system is on Mars called Olympus Mons. It mounts 600 kilometers with an elevation of 21 kilometers. I hope you still enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel by pressing the little red button at the bottom. Leave your comment in the section below. Happy watching. Bye bye. See you.